How to fix FC26 keeps crashing on EA games from your PC. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix this kind of issue on FC26. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is to go into your Windows search and then pull up settings. Now, from settings, all I have to do here is to go into privacy and security. And then next is to go into Windows security. From here, choose on device security and you will have this window right here. Now, as you can see, I've activated my core isolation, and then all I have to do here is to click this blue highlighted link, which is going to be the core isolation details. Now, on my end, it is automatically turned on. However, if it's off on your end, if you have it on, it will check if your driver is compatible to use this feature. If it does, it will automatically turn on once you click that and just simply relaunch the game. That's it. That's how you fix FC26 keeps crashing on EA games from your PC.